In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep the title row from scrolling in Excel. If you're working with a spreadsheet that has headings at the top, it can become difficult to keep track of your data once you start scrolling down. A simple way to fix that is to keep the top row visible the entire time, so your column titles stay in place while the rest of the worksheet moves. Let's walk through exactly how to do that. Start by opening your Excel workbook. Go to the file where you want to keep the title row from scrolling. This is especially useful if your worksheet has a header row with labels like names, dates, amounts, or categories, and you want those labels to remain visible as you move through a long list of information. Once your workbook is open, look at the top of the Excel window and click on the View tab. The View tab contains several display and window management tools, including the option we need for this task. After that, find the window group in the ribbon. In that section, click Freeze Panes. This menu gives you a few ways to lock parts of your worksheet in place while you scroll. For this specific task, you want to keep only the top row visible. From the Freeze Panes drop-down menu, select Freeze Top Row. As soon as you click it, Excel will lock the first row of the worksheet so it stays on screen while you scroll downward through your data. Now, when you move down the worksheet, the first row remains visible at the top. This makes it much easier to read and organize your spreadsheet because your headings stay in front of you the entire time. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference when you're reviewing large tables or entering information across many rows. If you don't notice a big visual change right away, try scrolling down a little. You'll see that the rest of the sheet moves, but the top row stays fixed in place. That's how you know the setting is working. This feature is helpful for everyday Excel tasks, especially when you're managing reports, tracking data, or reviewing lists with multiple columns. Keeping the title row visible can save time and reduce mistakes because you won't need to scroll back up repeatedly to check what each column means. And that's it. You've successfully kept the title row from scrolling in Excel.